Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut Heart, and I have a lot of Destash boxes. I have decided to clean out a lot of my craft stuff, mostly paper. Been hoarding paper for years. I have a lot of paper that is no longer around. I have a lot of paper that is expired. Companies are gone. And so I just haven't used it and it needs new homes. So some of these boxes are a little bit pricey because they do have very expensive product in it. Some of them are going to be very reasonable. I'm not even sure if I really want to get rid of some of this stuff, but I'm going to give it a go. So the way that it works is I can only ship US. It ships in a priority flat rate box, which costs me like $14 or $15 to send. So keep that in mind that I do need to make some sort of profit. Otherwise, there really is no purpose in me driving and standing in line at the post office. So keep that in mind. It is PayPal only. It's my address is scoop71@yahoo.com. So if you're interested in a box, make sure that you comment here and then also email me. You have to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Don't send me a personal message here on YouTube because I don't always read those, and sometimes on my phone I can't figure out how to get to them. So please email me, and it'll be first come, first serve. I will not hold anything for you unless you're waiting to see, you don't want to pay until after you've seen all the boxes. That's a little different story, but I can't hold. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be box number 1, and I probably should write this down. This is box number 1. Box number 1. And write down. Okay. Let's go right into this box. So this box has a lot of good stuff in it. I think it's going to be a popular one. So let me go ahead and show you what this box is. So this box is going to have the Tim Holtz stamp platform. I don't like it, so I've used it one time. It comes with its little, magnets and everything. And like I said, I've used it one time. So that's in there. And so that's a pretty good value, I think, right there. And then I've got this 8x8 9-to-5 paper pad from October Afternoon. And as far as I know, they're not making paper anymore. So this is brand new, never used. I also have an 8x8 sarsaparilla. And you can see it's never been used, right? Those are the prints there on the front. And then I have Rocket Age 8x8 paper pad from October Afternoon. And that also has never been used. Super cute. Just, not using it. Then I have my Holiday Anya 5. I think it's Holiday Anya 5. Yeah, there it is. Spreading Joy. This one has never been used. I just bought 2 of them. And I also have the die. I have, I think this is a Spellbinders die, and I'm just, not loving it. So got that one. I've got this. I don't know the name of it, but it's a greeting farm. Never been used, still untrimmed. I have this, which I had gotten recently and then decided it just really wasn't my style. I have a bunch of other unicorn stamps that I like better, and it comes with the dies, and it's, I've used one stamp one time. Here's this one. I bought this one twice. So this is brand new. It's called Fun and Flirty by Paper Smooches. And then this one I actually bought twice. So I have the girl, and then I also have the matching dies. This is Honeybee Stamps. And then I've got these Recollections trims, and I've got this YR02 Copic Chow marker, which I have 2 of. So this is number 1, and it is $50. $50 for box number 1. And then we're on to box number 2. All right, first is this collection kit from October Afternoon. This is super old. I don't even know how old it is. I would say it's at least 10 years old. It's brand new, never been used. It's spectacular. I just haven't gotten around to using it. I probably will not. Then I have this, which I had gotten in one of their grab bag things, and it has a bunch of stickers. I think it's like mostly all stickers. So open this up for you. So you know how expensive stickers are. I don't think I've used any of this. So this has like the Make It Merry, the label stickers. They're really thick too. These like banners and banners and banners and a bunch of more banners in there. And then it's got some paper, various different papers here. Farm Fresh, Farm Girl, all different types of papers. And then it's got a number sheet and letter sheet in the back that's never been used. Put that in there. Okay, and then a lady's diary from Graphic 45, never used, never opened, in perfect condition, right? So this is worth at least $20 right here. Also in here, I have this old-fashioned Christmas from Recollections. You can kind of see the patterns right here. It just really isn't my style. So there we go. Then I've got this October Afternoon, which is a similar deal to that one. I might have used some of these. I don't know if I have. But there's a bunch of sticker sheets right here. You can see a letter one, another one here. Bunch of papers. A sticker sheet in the back. Lots of stuff here. Right? I don't know if I'd seen that one, I probably would have kept it because I did keep the 8x8 that goes with this one, which is super, super cute, but you guys get it. It's in there. And then here, there are just bunches of stickers and things in here. Ephemera, you know, punch outs or whatever. Just a bunch in there. So that's all October Afternoon. And then here I've got just this random cherries paper. I think it's Creative Imaginations. And then a bunch of October Afternoon papers. Sidewalks, Five and Dime, Farm Fresh, Holiday Style, 3 Holiday Styles, Sarsaparilla. So 9 to 5. Bunch of papers there. And then this is Cakewalk, which I love this one. Super, super cute. It's 8x8. And it has, it says 46 pattern papers, and it's never been used. This one is Travel Girl. And Travel Girl is brand new, and it's really, really, really cute. I just am not going to get a chance to use it, which I'm kind of sad, but oh well. Just have got to let go of stuff. So there that is. And then this is Cosmo Cricut Little Girls Biography Collection. You get 12 double-sided cardstocks, 8 double-sided cut apart journaling cards, strip tees, alphabet stickers, and so on right in here. So this is all brand new and fabulous stuff. So this is number 2, and it is $42 for number 2. And number 3, so I'm probably gonna have to take a break after number 3 because I gotta go to my son's baseball game. All right, get everything out here. Bunches of stuff in this one. This one's a very good one also. All right, I have this K & Company Yuletide, and it's really beautiful. It's just really not my style, but it's brand new, never been used. I have this one. This is the one I got from Tuesday Morning. I'm just not going to get around to it. It's from Authentique, called Imagine. And then this is the Graphic 45 and ABC Primer in the 12x12. Never, ever used. So that's like 20 bucks right there. And then I have the envelope punch board and with a little doohickey on the side there. I have this, which is brand new. I just bought it twice. This is the Thinlits Fold Along Gen Long. Brand new. And then I have this one. This is a Sizzix die. Has that fancy kind of flip it thing. And so this is one more thing. Where is it? Oh. And then this Brayton font by Just Right. So this allows you to do all kinds of stamping. It has all the little pieces, all the fonts. It's 5 sets of letter, number, and symbols with stackable type storage case, 95 point, 50 point, and 25 point Brayton sets. So there's that. I don't know that I've ever used it. I don't know if I have. Okay, so that is number 3. And that is $40. Okay, so that is the first Destash, and I'll be back for more. Thank you.